Hello students, welcome back to your 8th standard mathematics class. We are doing lesson number 8, quadrilateral, constructions and types. Let's continue with practice at 8.3. Question number 3. Construct a parallelogram ABCD. Length AB is given 3 centimeters, length BC is given 7 centimeters, and measure angle ABC is 40 degree. So this is your rough figure. So the solution is opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, length AB is equal to length CD is equal to 3 centimeters. We know that the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That means measure angle B plus measure angle C is 180 degree. We know measure angle B, so we can find the measure of angle C. Therefore, measure angle ABC plus measure angle BCD is 180 degree. Measure angle ABC is 40 degree. So 40 plus measure angle BCD is 180. Therefore, you get measure angle BCD is 140. Now in this quadrilateral, we have got measure angle C as 140 degree. Now we know the 3 sides and 2 angles. So we can construct the parallelogram ABCD. First, we will draw segment BC 7 centimeters and construct angles B and C. Now this is side BC 7 centimeters and we have constructed angle B 40 degree and angle C 140 degree. Now we have to mark the points A and D, which are 3 centimeters from points B and C. For that, we take 3 centimeters on the compass. With B as center, draw an arc with the same length, and C as center, draw an arc to cut the arm of the angle. Now this is point A and this is point D. Join the 2 points A and D and your construction is complete. This is your completed figure. Now let's see the 4th question. The ratio of consecutive angles of a quadrilateral is 1:2:3:4. Find the measure of each angle. Write with reason what type of a quadrilateral it is. I've drawn the rough figure here. Let's take the ratio of angles A, B, C and D as 1:2:3:4. Now since it is a ratio, let us take the common multiple as x. So we can write the measure of angle A as x degree, angle B as 2x degree, angle C as 3x degree and angle D as 4x degree respectively. Now we know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Therefore, we can write measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C plus measure angle D is 360. X plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is 360. When you add all this, you will get 10x. So you get 10x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 36. So if x is 36, measure angle A is 36 degree. Measure angle B is 2 multiplied by 36, that is 72 degree. Measure angle C is 3 multiplied by 36, that is 108 degree. And measure angle D is 4 multiplied by 36, that is 144 degree. Now the next part of the question is, with reason, write which type of a quadrilateral it is. Now if you observe the angles, the adjacent angles A and D, the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Measure angle A plus measure angle D is 180 degree. That is, the interior angles are supplementary, which means that segment AB is parallel to DC. But if you add the measures of angle A and angle B, it is not equal to 180 degree. That means side AD is not parallel to BC. So we have only one pair of opposite sides parallel. So what type of a quadrilateral is ABCD? Yes, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Measure angle A plus measure angle D is 180 degree. Therefore, we can write segment AB is parallel to segment DC. Measure angle D plus measure angle C is equal to 252. Angle D and angle C are not supplementary. Therefore, segment AD is not parallel to segment BC. Since only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Now let's see question number 5. Construct quadrilateral BARC such that length AB is equal to length BC is 4.2 centimeters, length AC is 6 centimeters, length AR and length CR are 5.6 centimeters each. This is a rough figure. AB and BC are 4.2 centimeters. AR and CR are 5.6 centimeters each. The two pairs of adjacent sides are congruent. So what is this quadrilateral called? Yes, it is a kite. Now the length AC is given 6 centimeters. So first let us draw the segment AC and construct the two triangles on either side of the segment AC. This is segment AC 6 centimeters. Now segment AB and BC are 4 centimeters. So let's take the length on the compass. Draw an arc with A as center. With the same measure and C as center, draw an arc to cut the previous arc. The point of intersection is the point B. Join the points A and B and also B and C. Now length AR and CR are 5.6 centimeters. So let's take the distance on the compass. With C as center, draw an arc. With A as center and the same distance, draw an arc to cut the previous arc. The point of intersection here is the point R. Now join the points A and R and also C and R. So this is your rough figure and this is your completed figure. Now let's see the sixth question. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ is 3.5 centimeters, length QR is 5.6 centimeters, length RS is 3.5 centimeters, measure angle Q is 110 degree and measure angle R is 70 degree. And the second part of the question is, if it is given that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, which of the given information is unnecessary? So this is your rough figure. Quadrilateral PQRS, 3 sides and 2 angles are given. You know how to construct the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 angles are given. Let's do that construction. So we have drawn segment QR and constructed angles 70 degree and 110 degree. Now let's draw segments RS and QP 3.5 centimeters using the compass. With RS center, draw an arc. With the same measure and Q as center, draw an arc. This is point P and this is S. Join the points S and P and your construction is complete. So this is your completed figure. The second part of the question is, if it is given that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram, which of the given information is unnecessary? So the information that RS is 3.5 centimeters and measured angle R is 70 degree are unnecessary. With the other information, we could construct the quadrilateral. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. Please see that you learn all the properties of the quadrilaterals
and also the construction of the quadrilaterals.
Please practice the sums that is done in the video. Thank you and have a nice day.